Hi, welcome back to another episode of Jana Eats. Thank you so much for showing up here on YouTube and subscribing to my channel. I appreciate it. It's gluten and casein-free food. And we're gonna do another brownie recipe today. So this brownie recipe calls for a ½ cup of nut butter, any kind of nut butter. And you can do cashew, you can do tahini, you can do almond. I'm doing almond just because I had some. You're gonna do a ½ cup of coconut milk, full fat coconut milk, please. Fat's good for us, right? Fat good, sugar bad. Here's a ½ cup of coconut oil. I'm gonna do a ½ cup of sweet potato. Let's talk about that. Sweet potato, organic, comes in a can. Easy, right? Make sure it's organic. And you can also do butternut squash if you want to mix things up. A lot of times when you've got food allergies, you've got to alternate foods so you don't become resistant and intolerant. And so these are great ways to switch up that. In you go. And then we're going to do cacao powder, 3 tablespoons. And I'm going to do 2 tablespoons of maple syrup. If you want to do this sugar-free, Lakanto, that brand I love of monk fruit sweetener, Lakanto, has a maple syrup, so that's sugar-free. So I'm going to blend this. That's nice and smooth and creamy. Forgot the avocado. Good thing I checked myself, right? I opened these avocados. Now this is a good use for avocados that might be a little bruised because it's not going to show up. So this is a fairly small avo. You need about a ½ cup. See, this is real life, right? So you leave out the avo. Throw it in. Because like I said, people don't live by asparagus, broccoli, and my delicious meal in a balls by themselves. It's wonderful as my meal in a ball is, or are. You need more. Then it's a ½ cup of the chocolate chips, which I'm using the rest of these Lily's. Then the other thing that I had is Lily's makes a baking chocolate bar, which I'll show you in the pictures. So I just chopped up the bar and I'm going to sprinkle it on here. Into a 350-degree oven, and into the oven 20 minutes. We'll be back for the results. Ooh. Yummy. So this is a little softer, more pudding-like. It doesn't suck, people. You know the thing? This has healthy fats from the nuts, all that nutritive value from the sweet potato and an avocado. And the chocolate, it's low sugar, delicious, healthy snack. Make some brownie mousse soon for your family. They're gonna love it. See you next time. Thanks for subscribing.